Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. How you guys doing? Happy Christmas in advance, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics, and on this channel I take you through step-by-step tutorial on how to create graphic design and perform graphic design work. We also touch other packages as well. So if this is what you have been looking forward to, kindly stick to the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, so that other people can benefit too. So today we are quickly going to look at how to perform little bit of 3D design, just something like as you can see on your screen. I just did this a few minutes ago just to show you how to perform 3D, swirl design, stuff like that. So let's see how we can create this without any further ado. Open your system. I believe you know how to launch your CorelDraw. So once you launch your CorelDraw, I'm going to keep this here so that we will be able to compare and see what we are doing. So once you launch your CorelDraw, so you are going to come here and take your ellipse tool and draw ellipse tool. All right, so just draw circle like this, and don't forget to hold down Control key in order to have a perfect size. That is the height and the width to be. In order to get the perfect size of the height and the width, you need to hold down the Control key. Once that is done, so make sure that you are on this millimeters. So change your units to millimeters instead of inches or points or pixels. So I prefer millimeters for the purpose of this tutorial. So now once you draw your circle, so you need to come to this size dimension or object dimension or size and change this to 100 millimeters. So the height should be 100, then you come down and give the width 100, press enter. So you have something like this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come down here again and draw a rectangle, something like this. It doesn't matter the size, because we are going to bring it to the center of this and then take it to the left. So Control E and C will bring it to the center. Letter E and C will take it to the center, then letter L will take it to the left hand side. So now we can now click on this and click on this edge and hold down the Control key, so that you have a duplicate like this, and right click immediately to have a duplicate. Then Control R will give you another duplicate. Like this. Then select the 3 just like this, then drag it from here, from this midpoint, drag it all the way to this point until you have quadrant. Okay, so once you have quadrant, you release your hand from the mouse. All right, so now we are going to select the circle. Just click outside like this and select the circle. All right, once you select the circle, so we need to pick this circle and bring it to, all right. So this circle, sometimes it's very difficult to pick just the way it is, but we are going to try to pick it. All right, also hold on a minute, because if you don't do it perfectly, if you don't take it rightly, so you will miss it. So I'm going to bring it here to the midpoint. Midpoint is fine, midpoint is okay. So you right click immediately to have a duplicate. So I'm just going to make sure that they are on the same page. Okay, so now once you do that, you can now delete this one, then select the two circle, and then come up here and click on intercept. Intercept can be located just here on your property bar. Click on it. So once you intercept it, to remove this one and equally remove this one. All right, then select this one. As you can see, select this particular one, then click on this your curve shift tool. Click on the shift tool and click on shift. So once you click on shift, so you will select it. Just press down shift key on your keyboard, then click and drag and cover the 2 points, the head, this particular one, the up one and the down one. All right, so once you select it like this, you have to go to window and go to dog out and ensure that your corner is thick. All right, this is my corner, so window, dog out, and ensure that this corner is selected. so that you can have it here. All right, so once you have your corner here, so we'll be able to have this. In order to curve, we need to curve this edge a little bit, so something like this is fine. I think this is just okay. So I'm using 5.252 mm, that's millimeter, sorry. Then you can click on OK, or you apply. All right, so we can close this, and then so this is what we needed. All right, so you can see that we were able to curve this and then curve this as well. So once that is done, so you need to come to your contour tool and click here on this contour. So this is your contour tool, is located right here. So once you click on this little box down here, the other option will come up. So you need to choose this particular one, contour. So once you see you have this, so you are going to click on this second one in order to have this layer, this second layer. So ensure that your millimeter here is 5, that's 5.0 millimeter. That's the space between this particular one and this one. All right, so once that is done, you leave it somewhere here, and so the next thing I'm going to select this particular one and lock this place and give it 30 here. Be sure that here is 30 instead of 33. Just give it 30 millimeters and press OK. So you have something like this. So once this is done, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to create another circle again. Like I always say, press down the Control key and draw your circle in order to have perfect size, and then come here and give it 100 and 100 for the height. The width should be 100 and then the height should be 100. So once that is done, let me bring it down. I hope you are following. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, if you love what we are doing here. So we are going to duplicate this circle, something like this. It's either you hold down the shift key and click and drag, or you press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy and paste. Or even if you do whichever one you do, ensure that you come back here to give it 70 millimeters. All right, 70 millimeters. All right, because that's what we need. So once you do 70 millimeters, click here and then come to the middle, this middle that says center, and bring it all the way to this place. Once you see quadrant, all right, this is where you are going to leave it. Just leave it here. All right, so once you do this, the next thing you are going to do, we need to fill out this thing. We need to fill this space with a smart fill. Okay, so you just have to come down here and then look for smart fill. This is my smart fill. When you locate your interactive fill tool, so come to this smart fill, click on it, and then color this one, color this one, color this one. You can also color this one and color this one. So leave this one, leave this one. All right, return the pick tool. Now when you look closely, if you remove this first black one, you can see that we need to remove this. We don't need this anymore. But in order for you to do that, for the purpose of this tutorial, you need to select all the black that we color. So you are going to press Shift key on your keyboard and select all the blacks, just like this. So all the blacks remain one. So select all the blacks just like this. All right, once you select all the black like this, you need to now come here and click on weld. Okay, weld it together so that they can be together like this. So now, in order to remove this particular one that I told you, all right, in order to remove it, we need to send this black one below. So we will send it to the back of that one. So press Control page down, Control page down your keyboard, Control page down your keyboard. So when you press Control page down, so when we click this place, you see that we are going to select the other one instead of the black one. We are selecting this one. So as you can see, we're able to select this one, then press delete, or you right click on it, you will see delete. All right, so you can now bring this one up. Control page up will bring it up. All right, so once you bring it up, it doesn't really matter whether you bring it up anyway. So the next thing you are going to do, just click on it again, just click on it twice, so you will see this circle, this knot here. Just click on it and drag it to the center of this circle. Right. When you drag it to the center of this circle, The next thing you are going to do, you are going to rotate it, to rotate this particular black stuff 45 degree, all right, to your, whether left or right, but I prefer to your right and left hand side, while holding down your control key. So once you select, once you drag it 45 degree, this is what I mean. So you can see here, look at this place, look closely, you can see that this is 45. All right, so the next thing you are going to do, once you do that, you are going to press Ctrl R on your keyboard. Let me do that again because I was showing you something, so I pressed something else. So once you right click on it, in order to have this duplicate like this, you are going to press Ctrl R on your keyboard in order to have more duplicate like this. All right, so you have something like this. I hope you are following. So now we are going to now come here and bring our smart 3-point curve. So we need 3-point curve. So once you bring your 3-point curve, what we are going to do, we are going to draw a line from here. So once you come here and you get to this place that says knot, you can see knot, not the edge, not. So once you see the knot, that's what you are going to click and drag and bring it to this side. And once you see the edge, that's not where we want the knot. So release your hand from the mouse and then just draw something like this. Click on it again, so you have something like that. So the next thing you are going to do, we are going to, like we did earlier, return your pick tool and then click on this place and drag this circle again to the center. So once you get to the center, release it, and also do the same thing we did earlier. All right, do the same thing we did, 45 degree, rotate that line 45 degree. Once you rotate the line 45 degree like this, you need to press Ctrl R on your keyboard to have duplicate. Ctrl R will give you duplicate like this. All right, so once that is done, so we don't need this circle anymore, just remove it. Where is delete? It's over here, so you delete it. There's another one, this particular one, if I click on it, delete. So once that is done, go to your smart fill. Told you this is where you can find your smart fill. All right, so click on your smart fill and then give it a color. So as you can see, we were able to give this a color. So now you can now give it whichever color that you want. If you want this particular color, that's fine. If you want this, it's up to you. So whichever color that you want, green, it's fine. So I prefer this. Okay, let's leave it at this. So now we were able to create this. Okay, so if you look at what I did before and this, you can see that they are the same. So tell me what you think and how you create your own 3D design, and if you have any question, drop it under the comment section as well. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.